Hello everybody. In this episode, we are going to do some investigation or study about um, Kubernetes Helm chart, but we're gonna add this in our AWS, still AWS 2023, because we want to add this to or deploy this to AKS soon. So let's first create a Kubernetes folder here. Then yeah, let's create a README on that. Kubernetes. All right, Kubernetes README Kubernetes. So we want to review Kubernetes because we are not AI, our brain is not AI, and we will forget all the time. We'll forget the things that we did some time ago, and that's why we need to review our Kubernetes thing. So let's open up GitHub and let's get our need to log in. Alright. So let's go to our Kubernetes 2023. This should be in, I think it's in practice. Or let's see if there's a readme here that says very nice recursive observables. Nope. Where is it? So I think it's in practice and microservices. Yeah, microservices. So yeah, everything is in here, and I am using Microk8 on this one. So let's go to Google and then let's install Microk8. Install Microk8s Ubuntu 2020 22. Now, can you lower down the volume, Vlad? So let's install first our Microk8s. So open up a new. Let's go to softwares. And then let's paste this. Microk8 is already installed. Oh, it's already installed. And yeah, yeah, I will want to add my user group. Say, I don't know what this is, but let's just copy and paste that. So you will also need to re-enter session. Oops. All right, and then check status. All right, and then access my Kubernetes. So Kubernetes, this one. All right, I have AWS already. What's this? Did I create this? Then, yeah, I think, yeah, this is the user. I think that is the user. Kubernetes, what's this? Or to see the running services. Alright, deploy an app. What's this? It's going to deploy an Nginx image to our Kubernetes, and then get pods. It will take a minute or two to install, but you can check the status. So the status here is not yet ready. Um, use add-ons. DNS. What's this? Microk8s uses the minimum of components for a pure, lightweight Kubernetes. However, plenty of extra features are available with a few keystrokes, such using add-ons. Pre-packaged components will provide extra capabilities for Kubernetes, from simple DNS management to machine learning with Kubeflow. To start, it is recommended to add DNS management to facilitate communication between services. For applications which need storage, the host path storage add-on provides delivery a directory stay space on the host. These are easy to set up. I don't know what you're talking about. So this one is already ready. There should be a, what's this? Inferior repository core, blah, blah, blah. Install that. Starting and stopping Microk8s. There is this one here is stops. This one here is start. And next step. So yeah, so we got our Microk8, and let's try to what's this? Build. Um, yeah, what do we have here? Let's just use the. What is this? Does it have an Nginx? Does it have Nginx? No, it doesn't have Nginx. How about this one? Yeah, this one has Nginx. Yep, this one has Nginx. So this one is to build locally, blah blah blah. So yeah, we'll try to replicate that. Let's go to our. Is this already in Kubernetes? And then let's create a. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Oops. Let's go to preferences. Okay, there you go. Next is we want to, yeah, let's create a an Angular one, and you K8 K8 web. Right. So our goal here is we want to use Helm chart, and I believe we don't have a Helm chart here in our. Oh yeah, there's a Helm. There's a Helm here, and I might forgot what this was all about. So what is Helm? Helm package manager for Kubernetes, packaging collections, YAML files, hosting Helm should be Helm charts locally, Tiller in Helm architecture. Yeah, we don't have yeah, we don't have a working Helm, I think here, or do we have? Nope. Yeah, no, we don't have. Yeah. So let's duplicate tab, and then go back to practice microservices. Go to our README. So build. This is the build. This is how we build. And then for the deploy, this is how we deploy. You don't na 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 na. All right, so let's start reading, or we might have um a project with that one already before. So let's go here and it's Helm. Do we have Helm? Oh, Helm exercises. We have way back 2019. So tutorial, Helm 3, Kubernetes, kubectl. Helm. Do we have Helm here? Helm upgrade, sample deployment. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I already forgot what I'm doing here. Helm, hello, Helm, Helm. Helm 3, Yennefer. Yeah, this was the time when I was still watching. So these are charts here. Charts, and we have values here. I really don't know what I'm doing here. I already forgot. It was 4 years ago. Helm 3. And we do have a... Nakit so noisy, nak! Uy! Why are you so noisy? This might take a while. The state of Helm 3, hands-on. What will change with Helm 3? Hands-on Helm 3. Yeah, we might want to read a lot of Helm here. Helm tutorial. Kubernetes Helm tutorial. Alright, what is Helm chart? Helm chart. Right. So let's go to our friend here. ChatGPT friend. So we have here our Angular K8. As usual, we want to add a Docker file for this. Docker file. And then we want the nginx.conf, right? So let's go to our coffee pasta dev. Have here a Dockerize. Oops, it hang. My computer just hang. It hang. Force quit. Right. Let's do this again. Let's go to coffee pasta. So we have here Dockerize. So this is our code for our Docker file. And then we want to change this to K8 web. And yeah, this one here will be Angular 16. I think we're using Angular 16. Yeah, it should be Angular 16.2. This one is Angular 16.2. And what is the node? Node compatibility with Angular. So for the Angular 16.2 forward, this is Node.js 18.10. So we want to change this to 18.10. And for the Nginx, we should have an Nginx here. This is our Nginx. Then we're gonna copy that there. No extra thing. And then we want to remove this. And then let's do a docker ps a docker images. So we want to docker image prawn, remove all. So now we want to docker build t, but this one, yeah, this one we want to build it locally. Hold on. Let's go here to our, oops. Uh-oh. You look so good right now. Right, so what we want to do is go to our microservices here and let's see the build. So the build is we just want to build it locally, that we have this local, and then this is a tag. So this one, I'm not sure if we have an extra. So Microk8s will try to pick this up. Remove, delete. Yeah, that one is the delete. So the for the deploy, go to apply API one. One deployment. Yeah, so this one here is to build, and then Docker, we want to save it instead of putting it in a like something like ECR. We want to save the image locally. So this is the purpose of this one. So this one here is CTR image import. Yeah, it's just going to import to our Microk8 is yeah, okay, let's try that. Let's go. We'll have to copy this one here and then paste it here so that we will not forget. So this is going to be K8 web local, and then so this one here, save x K8 web local, and then we want to save that to a K8 web dot tar, and this one here, import K8 web dot tar to our controller, I think. Yeah, so and then we want to apply the um, the deployment YAML and the deployment service here, and the deployment and the service here. So this one here would be K8 web deployment, and this one here would be K8 web service. And we also wanna create this file. So here we want to create this, and also for this one we want to create this. Then this one here, API1 deployment, we just want to copy and paste this. We got it, and we want to copy that and paste that in here. And for this one, the service, you also want to copy that and paste that in here. So now we just want to, this one here is MAPIX. So is that the one that we saved? X MAPIX. MAPIX. Where did we get that MAPIX? So MAPIX. Is it turning our build? MAPIX. So that is the name of the image. So for the MAPIX here, I think it's just a name. It will not matter, I think. So it's just gonna name this. So this one here is for sure. It will be, yeah, let's just name it to K8-web or K8 web. And that is the one that we K8-web local. Yeah, K8-web local. So K8 xk8-web local. Open to side xk8-web local. Alright, and we can remove this because we don't have an SSL yet for this one. So this is the deployment. The data app label is K8-web, name is K8-web, replica is 1, blah blah blah. Metadata template, image is this one, and then I don't know what that is. So let's go to the service, and this is the service. So I believe we already copy and pasted the service here, and we just want to change this to K8 web. So this is its load balancer. What is this? API 1, maybe web, K8 web. Yeah, can we search if we need an API 1 here? Nope, we don't have any API 1 in there, so I think this is just a label. So yeah, I think we're good with that. For the Nginx, right? So Nginx is okay. Yeah, let's try. Let's save. Let's run this. Um, let's create the Docker image. Alright, so that is completed, and now it's time for this one here. We want to save it. It's like uploading to GitHub, oh no, Docker Hub or ACR, AWS ACR. And then, yeah, we want to import this to Microk8s. Hmm, hold on up. Let's check if that exists. Oops, what is in here? There's a lot. Yeah, I really don't know what are those. What happened, man? So here we're gonna run this, and then we are going to run this. Then So let's go to where is the thing that we will get the dashboard. So I think this one here. We have to enable the dashboard. Let's open up this one. Enable dashboard is already enabled. Um, so maybe we can just load this. Nope, not that one. Mm, so we got our token. So what is this? Yeah, this one is the dashboard. And then
It's a puppet planet toy.
yeah.
Why is it made of puppets?
Hmm?
Why is it made of puppets?
Buckets?
Puppets.
Puppets?
Yeah. Why?
Hmm? Can you go to Mama, Nak? Papa is
Why
working,
it has
Manak. Eh?
puppets?
Can you go, Nak? To,
Why it
yeah.
has puppets?
Yeah, they're puppets. Puppet planets.
Why is it created?
Hmm?
Why is it make it with puppets? Why is it make it with puppets?
So that it will be fun. Fun to look at.
Yeah. And we have puppets.
Yeah.
And it'll be fun. And it can grow when they put it in the battle lights.
Hmm.
It grows. But when it's around, it still grows. What if the war stories?
Oh, yeah, there you go. So this is the load balancer and this is the port. So this is the load balancer and the port. Okay, so that is running. And next is we want to apply the some Helm chart.